Hello and welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how a service provider can distribute or resell LoRaWAN subscriptions to another service provider. First, we need to look at the user that is going to perform this. I will do a quick search here to find a user. Here we have this user that have access to this service provider. It's also important that the user is an organization admin, and that means that the user can manage organization and user outside its own organization. You find more information about the roles in the online documentation, user and roles, where you can read about these different roles. To be able to perform this, the user needs to have additional roles or rights here in LoRaWAN portal, and that can be managed by your operator. So please contact them if you want to be a reseller for other service providers or other companies. So you need to add this company that you have access to become a distributor here. So that needs to be done by your operator. The same applies for network providers if you want to distribute or resell gateway licenses to other network providers. This user now have the ability to create new organization and new service providers that it can resell to. So I will start by showing how you actually create a new organization, and that is done down here under administration in the main menu. I search and I can see that I have access to my own company. When you create a new company that you're going to resell for, you create a new organization like this, reseller A. And the reason for creating a new company is actually that you are an organization admin, and you can also create users in this organization that have access to the new service provider you will create. And then they can manage themselves. But you are the reseller for the LoRaWAN subscription for this company. Now I created an organization, reseller A. I will now go to my own service provider. So I search for my own service provider. I open it and I scroll down here to subscription buyers. When doing that, you click add subscription buyer, plus sign. A pop-up will appear where you can select your own organization or the new one we created. And I recommend creating a new organization for each new company you want to resell to. I select the new one and I also create a new service provider. Like this, service provider A, and I add it. And what you can see now, you see a start date and also a new service provider. The service provider is created, and when opening and having a look at this service provider, you click here, this link, you can see that it's created. It doesn't have any user except myself who created it. And you can see that it also have a distributor, which is your own company. Thank you for listening. Hope you enjoyed it.